Hello, this is Eddie with RMC Miami with our beautiful 1972 Porsche 911T. This is a 2.4 liter full nut and bolt restoration. As you can see, the car is completely brand new. Just do a little walk around of the car, go through it a little bit so you can see the quality and how nice it is. How the interior looks, how the floors look, how solid it is all around. I'll show you inside the front. Also have it turned on. Showing 13,000 miles. It's got the Porsche crested seat belts, which is a pretty rare option. Very nice. Show you the front. Super clean. Smuggler's box is very nice underneath. Two Bosch batteries. Really nice. I mean, the videos and pictures don't do it justice. I mean, in person, it's just another crazy type of level of car. Show you the engine bay. Go ahead and turn it on. Go ahead and I'm inside the car now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Turns right on. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or any other vehicle that we have for sale, go ahead and give me a call, 786-377-4331. Again, my name is Eddie. Thank you for watching.